Mr. Burton, I suggest you wake up or else you'll fail this class.
Is that really how it works? Okay, so I found this guy on the internet and his name is Love Live Serve. And I have to say, that sounds like something a middle-aged mom would put on her wall as an encouraging, ornament. Anyways, today I'm going to be, reviewing, I don't know what to call it, but I'm going to be looking at one of his videos that he made called What Students Say to Teachers versus What They Want to Say. Anyways, I guess we can just watch it now.
Mr. Burton, I suggest you wake up or else you'll fail this class.
Wait, did you hear that?
Hear what?
Did you hear anyone ask for your opinion?
I feel like this video is going to be heavily laced with irony, but then again, I really can't tell.
What's goody? It's your boy Rhino, aka Girlfriend Thief.
So then they basically just go on and they explain a sponsorship or anything. I don't really know. I kind of just skip through this part of the video to get to the bad stuff, but they're with their midget friend or something. I don't really know. I don't get it.
What students say.
Mr. Burton, you are late again. This is your second tardy for the semester. One more and I'll have to fail you.
I'm sorry, okay. I'm sorry, sir.
Get to your seat.
What students want to say.
Yeah, babe. This is whack class, right?
Oh boy, you can tell he's cool this time because he's got the backwards hat and everything, man. It's getting crazy now.
Mr. Burton.
I also like how as soon as the teacher starts talking, this intense music starts playing, and it's priceless.
Burton, you are late again. This is your second tardy for the semester. One more and I'll have to fail.
Shut your trap, old lady.
No.
What does it even matter if I'm 1 minute late? Your old ass hasn't even started doing anything yet. You haven't started the class. You don't like me. I don't like you. It's mutual.
I apologize for interrupting this work of art, but he goes on like this for as long as possible. It gets less and less funny as it goes on.
What students say.
Noah, pull up your pants. Pull them up. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, at this point I know I'm just nitpicking, but still. He literally has his belt unfastened and hanging out the front. What?
What students want to say.
Noah, pull up your pants. Pull up your pants.
Pull up my grade.
Oh, buddy, that sounds like a you problem.
What students say.
Okay, so, hey class, most of you guys failed your test last week because you didn't study for it, but I'm gonna cheer you up with a funny joke. Okay, what do you call a fake spaghetti?
I don't know what.
An impasta.
Dad?
Right? It's funny. Fake pasta.
What students want to say.
What do you call a fake spaghetti?
I don't know what.
An impasta.
You are the single most unfunny person on this entire planet.
I don't know, I thought it was pretty funny.
Stop telling jokes. I can't even give you the sympathy laugh for that. I usually fake laugh at your jokes just so I can get a better grade, but that was just plain weak.
Hey, cut him some slack. He's obviously mentally impaired.
What students say.
Tuffy, why have you been in the bathroom for so long?
I'm sorry. My stomach was upset and I was just feeling sick. I'm sorry.
Isn't that what the clinic is for?
It would never happen again.
And then stop your dribble jabber. Sit down now.
What students want to say.
Tuffy, why have you been in the bathroom for so long?
Is his gangster name Tubby?
Why are you still not married? Exactly. So stop talking to me.
Isn't that implying that he is married?
Did you just say that? You don't
Actually, matter of fact, I wasn't even at the bathroom. I was just walking around this school doing laps because, I don't even want to be here. That's how boring your class is, man.
Oh my god, he was what? What?
Hey, listen. No, listen to me. Just not.
Is he making fun of the teacher's stutter?
What students say?
Mr. Burton, hand over your phone right now.
Okay. I was just.
No talking. Come here. Come give it. Stop.
I'm sorry.
Why is he portraying this person like so much of a wimp? Like he's just doing what the teacher says.
What students want to say?
Mr. Burton, hand over your phone right now.
Come take it from me. I wish you would. Please come over here and take this phone from me. You don't pay for this. This is not your property, but we could try to duke it out a little bit. Maybe you could try to snatch it from my hand.
No,
What? Is he offering to fight?
it's school policy to not have it out.
Please test me. I've been waiting for this moment. Come on, come and get some.
You're not allowed to use that in class.
I wish you would test me today. I wish you would take this phone from me.
Hey.
I've been through too much. I paid for this phone with my own money.
Okay, so if that's true, then props to him. But I'm assuming this is portraying high school, and at least 95% of the people in high school don't pay for their own phones. Like,
Put it away.
Don't come here and take my stuff. I earned this.
by doing what? Just being an asshole?
What students say?
Ryan, where's your homework?
I'm sorry. I didn't get a chance to finish it. I forgot that we had an assignment today.
I'm sorry. It's gonna have to be an F. I'm gonna have to mark you down as incomplete.
Please, wait, no.
There's nothing I can do about it.
I can turn it in for maybe tomorrow. I'm sorry.
Do you see how nice the teacher's being to him in this situation? Probably because he's not yelling at her to come fight him.
What students want to say?
Ryan, where's your homework?
Where are your eyebrows?
Shut up, I have eyebrows, okay? They're there.
What students say?
Excuse me. Are you guys talking back there?
Oh, we're sorry.
We'll keep it down.
So sorry about that.
Keep it down. Quiet.
Yeah, I can pretty much guarantee this never happened.
I'll fail both of you.
What students want to say?
So I was with these two baddies at all.
Oh, thick.
Hey, are you guys talking back there?
Duh. Obviously, we're talking.
You want us to be louder?
We can be louder. Who cares?
Okay, let's be honest. What is happening? I'm more confused than the teacher. Like, seriously.
What students say?
Okay, class. Does anybody want to put number 1 on the board? Any volunteers? Ryan, how about you come up and do it?
Oh crap. Okay. I could do it. I'll try.
What students want to say?
Okay, class. Does anybody want to put number 1 on the board? Any volunteers? Ryan, how about you come up and do it?
Did you see my hand raised? No! Then why did you call on me? Don't call on me if my hand is not raised. That means I don't know the answer.
Funny you should say that, but no one else has their hand raised, seeing as how there's no one else in the classroom.
No. Administration, please come to room 703 ASAP. I said ASAP.
You want to call me without my hand raised? You want to keep calling me when my hand's not raised?
He is destroying my classroom.
Okay, now this part's actually pretty funny. I'll give them that because they're obviously going like way overboard with it. But I feel like they're kind of making fun of the whole idea for the video in this last scene of him like flipping chairs and stuff. But yeah, you know what? Okay, I'll give them this. It was a high effort video. Good skit, pretty funny. They obviously have enough money to do this, so congrats to them. But not my kind of thing. If you like it, go over to their channel. Their link will be in the description, probably, if I don't forget. But yeah. Alright, that's gonna be it for making fun of people today. Goodbye, I guess.
Smoking up back. Hey, yeah. Hey,